Hey guys, I'm John with Boston Scientific. We're going to cover the Moses 2.0 holmium laser used for urology, laser lithotripsy and BPH procedures. First thing to cover is to make sure we have a full setup here of glasses. Everybody in the room needs to have glasses on. We've got the warning signs that need to be put up outside the door for every case. Everybody knows that there is a laser in use. And this is our actual laser here. A couple things to cover first is that we do have a troubleshooting setup guide on the laser here, as well as my business card with my contact information if anybody ever has any questions. Okay, but I'll get right into the setup of the laser. First of all, this LCD screen here does rotate around. It's the best way to do it, to bring it all the way down and shut it down when you're done. But to go ahead and bring this up, take you right in here to the back. This laser is ran by a key, so it's very crucial that you understand that this key, all it does when you put it in, turn it to the right, that unlocks the system to be able to set the laser up. If you do not have this key put in here and turn the system on, it will boot up, but the laser will not be able to be functioning. It won't be able to fire when you get into a case. So this key is very important to have in, turn to the right before we turn the laser on. Okay. Go back around here to the front to show you how to turn the laser on. Once the key is in and turned to the right, here's our power button. It's a 1/1000. You'll hear it kick on. And then while that's booting up, I'll show you a couple more things here on the back. So this is a foot pedal ran system. You'll see the openings here on the back of the foot pedal and the slots on the back of the laser for storage. But as a dual foot pedal system, I'll get into that a little bit more once we have it booted up. But there's a left foot pedal, right foot pedal, and the surgeon can take it off and put it onto standby by themselves with the foot on top. Notice that I had this still on the back of the laser while the laser was already plugged up. That is very key, so you can get this set up and where you want to have it before pulling the foot pedal and its cords down, because if you run over this cord with the laser, it can puncture the cord. There's nothing you can do about it. It is buy a new foot pedal time. So make sure we have that plugged in before we get the foot pedal down. Okay. Also on the back, if you want to come in here a little bit closer, this is a breaker switch that runs the system. This should always be in the up position. If you ever turn the laser on and it is not booting up at all, that is one of the first things I would check, because people can come back here and it's very easy to move this in a down position. Always have this in up before the system boots up. This also has a lock system on it. So you'll notice neither of these foot pedals are up or down and it's moving. Once you get the laser in position, where you want it, if you push that red one down, you'll notice it will not move again. Push the black one down and it will move. It's very big in some of these hospitals. There is some uneven sometimes. You'll get the laser in position and you'll see it kind of start to drip. So use that lock foot pedal with the wrong position.